Welcome to everyone. This is SpEFEKTETO tutorial. My name is Matthew. And now let me talk to you about this. The SpEFEKTETO is a financial information service where you can get and copy a professional prop trader and economist, Jozsef Safar's trading in real time. Using the guiders you get, follow Jozsef's instructions and you will be able to reach above average yields beating the main stock market benchmarks. And now, let's see how easy to use SpEFEKTETO in 6 steps. Once you are familiar with the home page, scroll down to the How It Works section. Here are the 6 steps we'll go through, guiding you step by step. There are 3 ways to subscribe to the newsletter. One is to click on subscribe for free button at the top of the main page. Another is to click on the free to join button at the middle section. And if you use a PC or a laptop, your third alternative is to fill the pop-up form. After you successfully subscribe to the free newsletter, go to Portfolios page. Here you can choose the best portfolio package which fits you the best. Click on the Buy Now button. After you add the chosen portfolio to the cart and click the Proceed to Checkout button, you have to fill the required fields. Don't forget to check the boxes. And then click the Proceed to PayPal button. After paying off your chosen portfolio, you receive a total of 5 emails. The first one is about creating your account on SpEFEKTETO.com. The second one is about the confirmation of getting SpEFEKTETO guiders, so be sure to confirm. The third one is about your order details. The fourth one is about your membership. And the fifth one is about your current guider. Depending on your joining date, you can act immediately and buy those shares of companies that the guider contains. You can get 3 types of the guiders: the buy, the modify, and the sell types. Let's see the buy one. The main sections of the buy guider are your chosen portfolio type, the direction of the transactions, the long trade section with the last update, and the 2 swing trade sections. In the long trade section you can see the name of each company, the name of the stock exchange where they are listed, the identification code of the stock at the particular stock exchange, also known as ticker, and the recommended buying price range. You can ask me now what long trade is about? It's about Jozsef evaluating these companies as the best ones and buying them for 10 years or more. Of course, it's also depending the long-term performance of companies. In the swing trade section you can see 2 same columns. Both of them contain informations about buying one company, the date of the buy, the name of the company, the ticker and the name of the stock exchange, the buying price, the max buying price, the target price, the max holding time of the position, and the max target price. You can ask me now what swing trade is about? It's about Jozsef choosing from the good and the best companies to buy. Timing of the buy is based on technical analysis. Let's see the modify one. The main sections of the modify guider are your chosen portfolio type, the direction of the transactions, the long trade section with the last update, and the 2 swing trade sections. In the long trade section you can see a tiny difference to the buy one. Most of the companies listed are dimly marked with only one visible properly. This means that the modification applies only to the visible company. So in this particular case, it applies only to example 10 incorporated. In the swing trade section you can see the two same columns like in the buy one, with some difference in details. The date of the modification, the name of the company, the ticker and the name of the stock exchange, the stop loss order price, a possible take profit order, and a possible trailing stop order. Let's see the sell one. The main sections of the sell guider are your chosen portfolio type, the direction of the transactions, the long trade section with the last update, and the two swing trade sections. In the long trade section you can see a similar difference. The selling applies only to the visible example 3 incorporated. In the swing trade section you can see the same two columns like in the buy and modify ones, with some difference in details. The date of the sell, the name of the company, the ticker and the name of the stock exchange, and the closing price of the position. When you receive the details of the guider, following Joseph's instructions, call your broker or a bank to place the order. If you have some experiences in online trading, do it yourself. All you have to do is sign into your account. Click on subscriptions and click Finish Payment button. Once you have successfully paid, your next period becomes active. Congratulations! You're done. Now you have all the knowledge you need to use SpEFEKTETO successfully.